Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1725 Pure Springs Boulevard in Pickering. So we're at Unit 20. It's a 3-bedroom townhouse, got 3 washrooms, really large driveway and extra space in the garage. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, what'd you guys think about that property? I can't hear you, so I guess you guys are gonna have to leave your comments below. While you're doing that, why don't you like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any questions about this property, my contact information is gonna be on the screen. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions and also show it to you privately. Until next time guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.